Hey, so I want to invite anyone who feels interested to a free class that I'll be teaching on the World Wide Web. So it'll be available at the time that I teach it and also in a recording if you're not able to make it live. And the class is on what I find to be this really a gem in my life. And it is an initiation into a map of our psyche, a map of the different layers of our consciousness and how things that happen in our childhood can bring about a habitual defense that we get more or less locked in and that actually prevents us from opening our hearts, from fully expressing who we are, and from being free and spontaneous in our expression. So, anyone who feels to join is super welcome. It will be about an hour 15, something like this. There will be links where you can sign up, and it's a really beautiful tool that has helped me tremendously in my life, and I'm hoping it's going to bring you the same kind of benefit.